Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making this cute little Mother's Day card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot. And I have my magnetic cutting platform. And I have the Apron Builder Framelits. And I'm putting the apron down on the Tutti Frutti Designer Series paper, and that comes in 6x6. Alright. And then I have the little apron strings and the tie that goes around the neck, and then the little lace piece on Lemon Lime Twist, and that's cut at 2.5 by 2.5. I also have a piece of Whisper White, and then I just have that top piece of that goes over the lace there, and that is cut at 2 by 2.25. And then I have a 2 by 2 piece of the silver foil sheet. And let's see, I have another small piece of the Tutti Frutti, and I have the little hearts. And I'm just going to place those down over the strawberries. Alright, so we were able to get everything on here at one time. We'll just run that through. Alright, so we can start putting this card together. Alright, I'm just going to come in with my paper piercer, and I have the little whisk that is stuck. Alright. And then I have a couple of these holes. Alright. Now, we're going to get the little white piece that we cut out, and I have my Stampin' Pierce mat. I couldn't think today. And I'm just going to ink that up in real red. And then it says best ever. And I'm going to try my best not to get my head in the shot. And then also on block block A, I have Mom. Alright, so best mom ever. We'll put that aside. And I have another piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm using Happy Mother's Day from A Mother's Flair. And I have that mounted on block D, and I'm going to ink that up in the Real Red ink as well. And I'm just going to put that right here in the middle. Happy Mother's Day. And then also from the Apron of Love, we're going to use this little heart here. And I have that mounted on block B, but you can use block A. And I'm just going to put a couple of hearts here in the corners. Just like that. Alright, so I have the mini striped ribbon, and this is Lemon Lime Twist, and I'm just going to cut a piece of that. And I'm going to put that on with some Scotch tape. Alright, so that is the inside of the card. We'll put that aside, and I'm going to start putting this card together. So I thought it'd be easiest to start with the apron. So I'm going to come in with my mini glue dots, and I'm just going to put a dot on each of the corner here. And then put the neck around. And then I'm going to do the same for the apron strings. Just right here in these corners, right here in the back. Now, let's see. Alright, just like that. Now I'm going to come in with my snail adhesive on the piece that we stamped. And then I'm just going to put that here. And that'll just make a cute little border there. Excuse me. So I'm going to bring in 2 pieces here, 2 little glue dots, kind of right next to each other. And I'm going to get the whisk, put that there, and then the spoon. And I'll get one more glue dot on this side, and I'm just going to put the spatula down like that. Alright, so I want to pop that up, so I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And right there should be good. Alright, so my card base is Night of Navy, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. I have a piece from the Tutti Frutti Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm just going to get some snail. And it's going to make a border around, just like that. And now I'm going to pop up our apron. And this was a special request from one of my viewers, Hannah. So Hannah, I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, and now I have my little hearts, and I'm just going to get in one more glue dot on each of those. Just like that. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Oops! I almost forgot. We need to put the inside of our card in. Alright, so now the card is complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any of the supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!